are making the best chicken enchiladas you will ever taste in your life. They are a treat, okay, you guys? So let's get started. First up, melt some grass-fed butter and a chopped onion. Saute until translucent. Okay, so you need 2 shredded chicken breasts for the enchiladas. I have been cooking mine in the crock pot all day. I just do it on high for 4 hours. You can use rotisserie chicken if you're short on time, whatever you've got. Once the onions are translucent, add this guy, star of the show. Okay, this is about done. We are gonna add the onion and chilies to the shredded chicken. We're gonna mix in an entire block of cream cheese. It makes it so creamy and so good. Filling for the enchiladas, done. Now it's time to shred. We're gonna spray. I use siete tortillas for these. They are so good. You're just gonna grab a couple tablespoons, probably like, I don't know, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mixture, and then just roll them up. Normally use heavy cream, but they only had half and half at the store, so I'm gonna pour a ton of half and half on the top. I want it to be sitting pretty. Then the last step is to add your Monterey Jack cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. This looks so amazing.
Okay, I'm sorry. Daddy. Well, I want a piece.